Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Searchanise from Shopify, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Searchanise from your Shopify store, begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once logged in, locate the left-hand menu. From the menu, click on Apps. In the Apps section, scroll through your list of installed applications. Find Searchanise in the list and click on it. After selecting Searchanise, you will be directed to the app's dashboard. Look for the Settings or Options menu within the Searchanise dashboard. In the Settings menu, find the option to uninstall or remove the app. Click on the Uninstall option to begin the removal process. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking you to verify your decision to uninstall Searchanise. Carefully read the prompt and confirm that you wish to proceed with the uninstallation. After confirming, the uninstallation process will commence. Once the process is complete, you will receive a notification indicating that Searchanise has been successfully uninstalled. To ensure the app has been removed, return to your Shopify admin dashboard. Click again on Apps to view your installed applications. Check to see if Searchanise is still listed. If it is not present, you have successfully uninstalled Searchanise from your Shopify store. Finally, consider clearing your browser cache to ensure all changes are reflected in your admin interface. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.